Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying what you're mounting to and marking positions. If you have brick or stucco, you'll need masonry anchors. On wood or vinyl, screws or adhesive will work. Measure a comfortable height, commonly 4 to 6 feet, and center horizontally on the door or porch. Use a level to draw a straight guideline and pencil marks for each digit's center. Once done, double-check spacing between numbers so they read clearly, and prepare the correct fasteners for the surface. You drill pilot holes through your mark centers next, matching bit size to anchors or the screw shank. For brick or stucco, insert masonry anchors and tap them flush. For wood, avoid overdriving screws that strip the hole. Position each number on the guideline and fasten with rust-resistant screws, keeping pressure even so numbers sit flat. If your numbers use adhesive pads instead, clean the surface with alcohol, press firmly for 30 seconds, and allow adhesive to cure before you finish by inspecting alignment and stability. Use a level across the top of the digits and make small adjustments. Loosen one side, shift, then red-iron until everything is straight. Seal exposed screw heads and gaps with a small bead of outdoor silicone to prevent water intrusion and rust. If a number wobbles or tilts later, remove it, clean the hole, and replace with a larger anchor or use epoxy for a stronger bond. That single troubleshooting fix solves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.